Another cool feature that the Dotument is equipped with is scanning your paper documents. So this is what we are going to show you now. First we are going to create new subfolder that is called paper documents, and this is actually the invoice that we want to scan. Just a simple invoice. You just have to put it in the scanner, and as I told you, all you have to do then is simply to click on the scan button. This will invoke the scanning process, and after a few moments you will see a new entry in the documents view here. So if we take a look at the document description, we will see this new generated thumbnail with some basic information here, and we can then of course try to open this. So as you can see, this is the automatically generated PDF based upon the scanned document that we imported now in our document library. Now PDF is probably most suitable for the electronic documents that you want to scan, like invoices, bills, whatever you want to archive. However, you might actually also want to scan some of your photos or some covers and so on. So in this case, you might want to switch from PDF to TIFF or JPEG format, and this is what you can configure in your configuration form. You can choose to store documents as PDF, JPEG or TIFF. So let's choose the JPEG now. You can also choose the JPEG quality. We are going to accept it now, and let's switch back to the paper documents. We are going to scan now the front page of the German issue of the .NET magazine. So simply put it in the scanner again, and again simply scan button, which is going to invoke the scanning process. Few seconds and our new entry is here. We can switch to the bookshelf view again, and we can see our new scan here. Now if you want more control over your scans, you can choose here, instead of the silent scan, scan with preview. This will open up the default Twain scan program, where you can of course then fine-tune your scans the way that you like. Okay, so the last feature that we are going to show you in this document overview is exporting your document documents and exchanging it with other document users. So we are going to show you how to export now this paper documents folder. You have to right click on the folder and choose export folder menu item, and you can spot the similar settings like you have in the importing process, and we can choose one among of those three exporting destinations. In this case we are going to choose export to exchange file. We are going to specify file path and the file name. Let's call it John's paper documents. We are going to save this, and we are going to export it now. This is again going to prepare the transfer. Fine. So now we are going to send this export exchange file to Jane. Now we are on the Jane's computer. So she got this package from the John, let's say, and what we are going to do now, first we are going to just simply to create some new subfolder. Let's call it John's documents, and what we can do, we can use again this drag and drop functionality. Drag and drop this exchange file to John's documents here, simply say import, and we can see those scanned documents now in Jane's library. Okay, that was it for this episode. If you have any further questions, support questions, feel free to contact us at support@e-manual.net. If you have any general questions, our email address is office@e-manual.net, and for everything else, feel free to visit our website at www.e-manual.net. Thank you for watching Dotument video tutorials.